Imagine waking up after 60 feeling rested, strong, and full of energy, not sluggish, drained, or restless. Believe it or not, a simple vegetable you eat before bed has been shown to improve blood flow, balance hormones, and support deeper sleep. The secret isn't in a pill, it's on your plate. Now, let's be honest. After 60, nights often feel heavier. Many men and women wake up multiple times, suffer muscle cramps, and carry fatigue into the day. Some even notice a decline in intimacy and vigor. These aren't just symptoms of aging. They're signals your body's missing something essential. That something is beets, rich in nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, expanding blood vessels and improving circulation. Better blood flow means more energy, stronger potency, and restored vitality. But circulation is just part of the story. After 60, the brain produces less melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Beets and other nitrate-rich leafy greens like spinach and kale offer antioxidants and nutrients that support sleep hormone pathways and calm the nervous system. Pairing beets with leafy greens gives you not just blood flow, but also anti-inflammatory and sleep-supporting benefits. For men, this vegetable brings another hidden benefit: prostate and urinary health. Nighttime trips to the bathroom disrupt sleep. Beets' anti-inflammatory properties ease strain on the prostate, promoting longer, uninterrupted rest. Let's also talk about magnesium and potassium, vital mineral relaxants that ease cramps and quiet a restless body. While beets deliver some, leafy greens boost your total intake, helping soothe muscles and nerves for deeper rest. Inflammation is another silent enemy of quality sleep. It causes aches, fatigue, and sleep fragmentation. Beets and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, fighting oxidative stress and helping your body recover and rebuild while you sleep. What's so beautiful about the solution is its simplicity. You don't need gourmet recipes. Try a small glass of beet juice or roasted beets about 2 hours before bed. Paired with a handful of baby spinach or kale, a gentle blend lifts nutrients without overloading digestion. Timing is critical. Eat too early and the benefits fade by bedtime. Eat too late and your body's still digesting when it's trying to rest. That 2-hour window is the sweet spot. It gives your body time to process and then use nutrients for repair. So, what can you expect? Within the first week, people report deeper, more peaceful sleep. After 2 to 3 weeks, energy returns, potency improves, and overall strength feels renewed. By 1 month, inflammation subsides, sleep is sustained, and vitality feels like it's back in your hands. Of course, there are mistakes to avoid. Eating large amounts of beets at night may upset digestion. Pairing them with heavy or fatty meals dulls absorption. Overcooking can destroy key nutrients. The best approach is light, gentle preparation, just enough to support without burden. Want to amplify the effects? Drizzle your beets or greens with olive oil for better absorption of antioxidants. Add a few walnuts or almonds to include healthy fats and magnesium. A calming herbal tea can complete the ritual, turning it into nourishing medicine, not just a bedtime snack. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I've watched many men and women over 60 rediscover vigor, potency, and restful nights simply by adding this small, nightly habit. This isn't theory, it's real, practical advice that works when you follow through. But beyond the science, here's the emotional heart of it. Potency, vigor, and deep sleep aren't just physical. They're tied to confidence, dignity, and joy. So many older adults assume these pleasures are gone forever. They're not. This simple vegetable is a reminder that you still hold power over your health and your life. So here's the choice. Continue waking up tired and restless, or make one small change. Add beets and leafy greens to your bedtime routine. You'll discover aging doesn't have to mean decline. With a little care, it can mean renewal, strength, and confidence. If this video opened your eyes, don't stop here. Subscribe for more advice for over 60s, share your thoughts in the comments, and pass this along to someone who needs it. Because vitality isn't lost, it starts again, with one choice, one vegetable, and one night at a time.